What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today I'm going to be going over some examples for you guys of ways that you can make money online by downloading and reposting videos without having to make any of your own. Just like I have done in 2018 to make $420,000 just downloading and reposting videos on 3 different YouTube channels that I have. You guys already know that. Go ahead and watch the last video to find out exactly how much I made, and I broke that all down for you guys. But so I'm going to go over that and give you guys some really good examples of some new channels that I have just found. As I said, I'm always doing research. I'm always searching YouTube, trying to find new hot trending topics, new potential channels I could start, new videos that I could do that are going viral, things like that. I'm always searching those things, and you guys should be doing that same exact thing. I also want to give a shout out and thank all of you guys because the last few days the YouTube course has been blowing up. You guys have been buying it like crazy. So I'm keeping the price right where it's at for a couple days because you guys are really enjoying it. You're all jumping in. And, I'm getting the chance to meet a whole lot of new students, and I'm getting the chance to help a whole lot of new students. And so I appreciate all of you who have jumped in the past few days. The growth has been phenomenal. And so if you haven't gotten in yet, you have a couple more days to get in at the price point it's at. And I look forward to helping even more of you guys out. But I've had a lot of fun teaching you guys and meeting all of you new students that have just jumped in the last couple of days. So thank you for that. I appreciate that. Jump in if you haven't already. Make 2019 your year. I don't know what you guys have done this year so far, but hopefully you're killing it, or at least, getting set up to kill it later this year, because, there's no better time to start than now, okay? I know a lot of you guys procrastinate. I did for a couple years as well before I finally jumped in and tried something and realized that you can make anything work if you try, right? If you jump in and you try something, it might not work at first. It might not work in the first month. Whatever it is that you're trying might not work right away. But if you keep putting in the effort and say, I'm going to make it work no matter what, then it will work, okay? And, again, you guys make probably, what, $3,000-$4,000 a month? It's crazy to me because, what I was making in a year at First Data as a business analyst, I'm now making in the first, 2 weeks of the month, right? So, it would have took me a whole entire year going to work Monday through Friday, 8 hours a day, every single day, right, to make, $46,000. And now I'm making that literally in the first 2 weeks of January. And that's ridiculous to me. I mean, to not go to work at all and then to make literally that whole year's salary in just 2 weeks of sitting at home and doing some work is just nuts, right? So I want you guys to have that same thing. And experience what I've been able to experience, like literally a whole entire year's salary worth of work in just a couple weeks of the new year. It's pretty cool. So anyways, I'm going to jump in and show you guys some example of the examples that I have found. So this channel is called Rapid 6, and they only have 14,000 subs, but they've been doing something really interesting lately that I wanted to show you guys. So he does this thing called mic drops, basically. So Ultimate Bill Burr mic drops, part 2. So let's take a look. There were a couple of really popular videos he had in here. So we'll sort by views here. Yeah, so Ultimate Ben Shapiro mic drop compilation, 1.6 million views on that. And then, so basically that's just kind of,
this is Josh.
of course he's got ads on it. Alex Becker, what's up? But as you can see here, it's got ads on it. And basically it's just different compilations of Ben Shapiro talking and saying things and, doing speeches and stuff. So again, he probably put that together, but it's really easy to put that together. Like I said, inside the masterclass, I teach exactly how to put something like that together, and it's really, really simple to do. Again, did the same thing here. Ultimate mic drops for Donald Trump, and of course, it's just Donald Trump saying a bunch of stuff. Made itself 1 million views, and it's got ads on it as well, once again. And so, that's a really good idea. Jerry Seinfeld mic drops. There's another one. And so if we go to About and we look at, so right now he's got 8,555,546 times, we multiply by about 10% click-through rate on the ads, which is what I get when you put an ad every couple minutes. multiplied by 3 cents, and he's made about $25,000 off this channel, which is really, really good, of course. And, you know, he's really only been, look at that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 32, 38. Yeah, I'm not very good at math. 38, 39, 41. Yeah, so only like 45 videos or whatever. So 45 videos or something, and you know that 45 videos is made $25,000. Pretty freaking good. And so here's another one. It's a sports highlight channel that I took a look at, Zemo Pierto. And once again here, if we take a look at his videos, um, you know, all of them are killing it, right? But that's all the videos he has. Again, not that many videos right here. But 72,000 subs, right? And so he's posting, you know, 3 videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 videos a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Whoa! 2, 2, 3, 24 videos that day. And so some of you guys go, oh, are you sure that you can post 8 to 10 a day? You get in trouble. Dude, this guy is doing like 24 videos in a day, right? And it's just a highlights for pretty much every game, okay? Just like I said to do. You do, you know, he's got pretty much every single game that happened in the NBA, he's got a highlight video for. And my guess is he probably made the highlights. But this is just like, okay, so it's a 4-minute video.
There's no such thing.
It's got
as a
ads on it
writer.
completely.
This is why I use Grammarly.
Monetized by him. Not only that, but he's also doing he's also doing affiliate links on the comments too. So this dude's raking in. He really knows what he's doing here. But as you can see here, it's just literally it's just you know, games with the commentary. You know, so not doing anything but putting together some of the highlights of the game, and he's doing that 24 times, making really, really good money doing it. So take a look here. So 22 million views, and times 0.10 times 0.03, $67,000, guys. $67,000 is what I estimate he's probably made on this channel. And so if you look at when he actually started posting, so you know, a week ago, okay? So look at this. So he started this a week ago. I wouldn't even be surprised if this is one of my students, honestly, because look, 1 week ago is pretty much when they started posting, okay? Look at this, 321,000 views there, 342,000 views. So basically, from scratch, in a week, you know, they've gotten 72,000 subs, okay? And, you know, 77 million views and $67,000. You can literally make $67,000 in a week posting highlight videos, okay? That's what this channel just did. $67,000 in a week, okay? I mean, that's killing what I do. Like, I'm going to take notes of what this guy's doing, and I'm going to try it out too, because I do have a sports channel, which I teach, you know, again, what I do in the masterclass, but you know, I'm going to take notes about what this dude's doing, because obviously he's killing it, okay? Here's another one, 192,000 subs here. And so, again, what are they doing? Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos. 7 videos, guys, 2.5. And so, my guess, let me look at the about here. 64 million views. So I'm guessing they actually probably deleted some of their videos or something. So obviously this doesn't add up to 6 whatever. So I'm kind of confused what they did, but they probably, I don't know, but they're still monetized. So if you guys are worried about posting sports highlights and getting demonetized, take notes to what these guys are doing, because it's obviously working for them. They've got ads. And so this is just, again, a compilation, Kyrie's signature moves. So you could just go on YouTube, find a bunch of him doing moves, put them all together, which I teach in the masterclass, how to do that for free with a free software. And you can do the same thing. Here's another channel I found called DC Killa. And as you can see here, you know, doing the same kind of thing. You know, it's just, but he's got good clickbait on it. James Harden gets sick of refs, worst call of the year, with a little like picture of James Harden getting mad. James Harden shocks the entire world with craziest game winner. Draymond Green gets disrespected and scared to shoot. Stephen Curry steals James Harden double step back and can't believe travel gets called. So you can see him doing the drop back and being shocked. 1 million views in a day, guys. Can you imagine how much money this channel is freaking making? And it's got ads on it, as you can see right there. So he's making money off this. And for those of you who say, how do you know he's making money off this? Again, if he wasn't making money off this, he wouldn't be posting it. Okay? Would you guys spend time looking for clips, putting together compilations, putting them on YouTube every single day with no benefit whatsoever? I mean, seriously, nobody would do that, okay? So they're making money doing this, okay? It's one thing if you're making your own channel and you want people to like you or whatever, but I don't think anyone would spend their time posting highlights if they're not making money doing it, okay? I know from experience because I make money doing it also, but for those of you who are kind of skeptical about it, this guy wouldn't be doing this all day if he wasn't making some money off this. So obviously, at least, he's making money off these ads for sure. And so, with the clickbait that he's got going on, and the pictures are really tell a lot. This is what I always say to my students: make sure your pictures are telling a story. Okay, don't put so many words on your thumbnails and things like that. Let the picture tell the story. It needs to be high quality and it needs to tell a story. This is him being shocked. Okay, LeBron James tries not to laugh after Russell Westbrook gets teed up. Stuff like that. And this channel in particular does a really good job of the clickbait thing. And when I say clickbait, it's a positive. Some people are like, "Oh wow, you say clickbait, that's bad." No, it's not bad. Okay, it's baiting people into clicking, but it doesn't have to be lying. For instance, this is clickbait. Steph Curry steals James Harden double step back. So he steps back and then he's yelling because he got called for a travel. When we actually watched the video, they literally, in the commentators, said that is James Harden's step back. And he was mad because he got traveled. So it wasn't even clickbait. It was completely 100% true. But it's still clickbait. The title and the thumbnail, in an honest manner, baits you into clicking. Okay, so that's what I mean when I say clickbait. And so these are the channels you want to study to see exactly what they're doing, to see exactly how they're doing it, and to see how they're getting views. Okay, but so this channel, I estimate, oh, this is gonna be a lot. I can't believe that. It was $67,000 in a week of posting. I mean, that's nuts. 133,804,191. I estimate this channel's made about $401,000